Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thanks so much for coming by. Today we have the Ipsy Glambag Plus box and I am so excited because I was not expecting this today. I was expecting a couple of others that I got, but this is a surprise and it's going straight to the head of the line because I want to get in here and see what I got for this month. I did not do any add-ons to my Glambag Plus, but I did do add-ons to my regular Glambag, so that's for another day. In case you don't know, Ipsy Glambag is a beauty subscription that if you get this one, it's the Ipsy Glambag Plus and it's $25 per month, but you get 5 full-size products in here. And if you get the regular Ipsy Glambag, which I also get, it's $10 a month, but you get 5 sample products. But sometimes they throw full-sized ones in that one too, so that can be a real winner too. And on the second of each month, they do add-ons, which $3 for samples, $12 for full-size. You can add products to either of the bags, regardless of which one you get. I did not put any samples in here, but I do have them coming in my regular bag. So let's get in here and see what I've got. I am so excited. Because I didn't do any add-ons, I didn't have to get in and look and see what my products were going to be. So it is a surprise, except they did give me the opportunity to pick one product. And they gave us like 5 options. And normally I would have ignored it and let them select, but there were several I didn't want to get. So I did pick one of my products. All right, when we open it up, we're back to our blue foam piece. And it says, don't be pretty like them, be pretty like you. And that is what my inside looks like. So looking in here right away, I can tell you that this is the only paper that I have, and it's called Bury Yourself, August 2019. And I don't have my products listed. So I suspect since I went ahead and selected one of the products, I didn't get one of the pre-printed things that tells me what everything is and how much it's worth. So hold on a second and I will try and get that online. So I have signed on so that I can see what all the products that they've sent me are, but it doesn't have the values on it. So in editing, I will try and put it below each product that I'm talking about. So reaching in, first I have the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser. Exfoliates to reveal smoother, younger skin. And this is a full size. It is huge, 6.75 ounces. Well, the top is sealed, but the bottom was already open, so we'll just get right in there. This is huge. It's a big cleanser. Okay, online it says that this exfoliator refines skin texture to allow for deeper moisture absorption, boosting the efficacy of each layer of serum and moisturizer that you apply. While this says it is a cleanser, under the to use portion it says massage a small amount over dampened face and neck, rinse with warm water. For optimal results, use 2 to 3 times per week. So this is not your daily cleanser. Let's see if it's already open. It is not. It is sealed. I am not going to open this because for those of you who watch my channel, you know that as a rule, I don't do acids. And this is an AHA and BHA acid. I might go ahead and pass this on because I am almost at 2,000 subscribers and I cannot believe it. So I'm starting to put away a giveaway for that. And this may be just what starts it. Okay, let's get in here and see what's next. I have Hey Honey, Take It Off, Exfoliating Honey Peel Off Mask, Smooth and Clear Complexion. This is what that looks like. This is what the box looks like. So let's get in here and see what this is. It says it is 1.7 ounces, and it is a tube. And that is what that looks like. This says, beautiful skin in 15 minutes. Take it off instantly renews dull, congested skin, leaving it smooth, soft, and clean. Formulated with honey to add moisture and alpha hydroxy acids to brighten and smooth by removing blackheads and superficial dead skin cells. This is a very aggressive box that we got this month, or that I got this month. Makes me wonder, do they ask us somewhere in our profile that we take about our I think that I've said I have sensitive skin, right? Anyway, let's see if this is sealed. It is. This one is sealed also. So I'm going to leave this sealed because we've talked about brightening and acids, and you guys know I can't do it. Okay, let's see what's next. I have Sundays. That's all it says, Sundays. That's what the box says. Look, I got a box of Sundays. I would like a box of Sundays. Let's just open it up and see what we've got. All right, let's see what we've got. Oh, nail polish. that's pretty. Sundays, 10 free, non-toxic, vegan, and cruelty-free, number 44. It's a really pretty bottle. I hope you can see that it's a mint color. Can you tell better back here? It's super pretty. Let me get online and see what it says about this one. Online it says, these polishes can seriously perform. They're high shine, ultra pigmented, and long lasting. They're tin free, meaning they are devoid of harmful chemicals typically found in salon formulas. Apply with ease. These nail technician designed bottles are made for comfort and precision. Every ingredient is completely vegan and cruelty free, and this cool minty green hue was chosen to have a serene and calming effect. I could use a serene and calming effect. I like that. I am going back to, these are the ends of my gels. It's time to go get my nails done. And I am going back to doing my nails for a while. So I'm just gonna have these soaked off. And you guys, all of you who have been so nice about, oh, your nails look so nice. Be kind when you see me doing them myself, because I can make my left hand look good, but don't pay a lot of attention to my right hand when the time comes. All right, next I have brushes. I love brushes. These are FARRAH brushes, and it is an eye set. Very pretty. Let's get in here and see what these look like, and I will bring it up online so I can tell you what they are. Okay. They're really, really pretty. They look kind of mermaidy with this whole dolphin and mermaid theme that's in. They are kind of ombre, and they go from a clearish to a bluish to a greenish there on the end. They're super pretty. They're like plasticky, loose-like feeling, and they've kind of got a twisted feel, so they're super easy to handle. They feel really nice handle-wise. I love these. They're a little less soft than some of my better brushes, but they are still completely usable, and I love brushes, so I will definitely use these. These are FARRAH brushes Show Me Magic Eye Brush Set. This set of brushes is focused on your eyes, ideal for brow shaping, lining, shadow, and under eye concealing. They're crafted by a team of beauty lovers, so they're designed for flawless application. Each brush uses high quality luxe synthetic fibers that don't skimp on performance. They are 100% vegan and cruelty free. So we have the 65 EM Mini Shadow, the 10F Concealer, the 15E Angled Brow. This is an interesting one. I don't believe I have one in this shape. It's the 105E Pencil, and I hope you can tell that it just comes to a point. So to use, like, you could, I guess you could use it up top as a pencil, but I will probably use it under here. That is a really interesting shape that I don't have. And this one is a blender. Let's see what they say. It is the, they call it the 35 EM Mini Tape. I don't see a tapered thing really about it. It's pretty flush, but it's a good blender, you know, just an all over blender. But I love the feel of these handles. I love that they have angles which make them easy to use. And those brushes will be handy with my last product, which is the one I selected, and it is the In the Balm of Your Hand Greatest Hits Volume 2. And it is a huge balm palette. So what this is eyeshadows, highlighters, blushes, and bronzers all in one, and it's some of the best of the balms. This is what it looks like, and let me put something over it so I don't blow you out with that mirror. And those are the colors. How nice are those? When this was one of the options, I had to pick it. I try not to know too much about my box, but I had to have this. So the eyeshadows are Matte Reed, Firm, Alice Copper, and Matte Russo. And it's these four right here. And then we have a little Mary Luminizer over here, which is just a little highlighter. I can't wait to try that. And then we have the Bahama Mama bronzer right here. And then we have three blushes, the Down Boy, the Fret Boy, and the Instain. And the differences are, these two are shadow blushes. So you could use them for shadow or blush. And this one is a long wear staining powder blush. So I guess since they stay staining, they don't want you using this one on your eye. So let's get in here and just swatch a couple of these. Let's get the, oh, they're so creamy. the 4 eyeshadows. These are so wearable. I've barely left enough room for you to see this 4th one over here. Let me take another run at her. Actually, I should say him. It's Matt Russo. Those are the 4 colors. This one is very hard to see. It will definitely be the transition color. But they're so pretty. So you have 2 mattes and 2 shimmers. They are really pretty. Very everyday. And then we have for the Mary Luminizer, which is our highlighter, and our Bahama Mama, the bronzer. Let me show you those 2. That bronzer is so usable. Even with my super light skin, it's going to be awesome. You can see the bronzer there and the luminizer there. Here's the luminizer, here's the bronzer. They are so pretty. That is going to be very, I mean, there's a little bit of gold to the luminizer, but it is gorgeous. I will definitely wear these colors. And last, I have the 3 blushes. This is such a great palette. I just, especially if you think about it for travel, when you can have 3 blushes, a bronzer, a highlighter, 4 really neutral, wearable. Oh, these blushes are gorgeous. Look how pretty those blushes are. So pretty. They've all got a little bit of shimmer to them, which is not necessarily what I look for in a blush, but these are just gorgeous. Actually, no. The first 2 don't. Do they? Actually, I don't know that the first 2 do have shimmer. I think they just are so pigmented that they just look, can you see them from there even? They just look fantastic. I could not, this makes more than makes the box for me. I could have almost nothing else. The box is $25. Like I said, I'll be putting the price of this right here so you guys can see what the price of this is. And that makes it worth it for me. Which is good because what I got in my Ipsy Glambag Plus box this month was this nice, in the palm of your hand, the Balm Palette. I got this really wearable minty green nail polish, which I will absolutely use. And these nice brushes, which who can't use more brushes? I could use more brushes. And then I got these 2. And they are the Murad Hydration AHA BHA Exfoliating Cleanser, which I know a lot of people are going to get and be thrilled about. And the Hey Honey Take It Off Exfoliating Honey Peel Off Mask. I don't think I will use either of these. I think I will start my 2000 giveaway with them. But still, I could not be happier with this box because like I said, I am really thrilled. I don't think you could buy this. I feel confident that you could not buy this for $25. Thank you guys so much for coming by. I'm so excited to start our beauty boxes off with the Ipsy Glambag Plus, and I am so happy to have this balm. I am late to the party with balm, so I haven't tried the highlighter or the bronzer or any of the blushes. I've gotten a few of the single eyeshadows in Ipsy bags through the last few months, but I've never had like a palette, so I'm excited to try all of this. Have you guys used this balm? Do you like it? Let me know below. I will be back soon with more boxes. Thank you again for coming by. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I put more videos up, and I will see you all really soon. Bye guys.